In this video, you'll learn how to edit on Framer in just a few minutes, so you can customize your website exactly how you want, without writing a single line of code. First, go to framer.com and sign in to your account. Open the project you want to edit or create a new one, and Framer will take you straight into the visual editor where all the magic happens. Next, click on any element you want to edit text, images, buttons, or entire sections. The right side panel will instantly show you every property you can change, from size and color to spacing and typography. Now, start customizing your design. Drag elements to reposition them, resize with simple handles, change fonts and colors, and use Framer's powerful layout tools to create clean, responsive designs that look perfect on any device. After that, add or replace content easily. Double-click any text to edit it directly, swap images with a single click, and use Framer's CMS to manage dynamic content like blog posts, products, or team members without hassle. Once your edits are done, preview your changes live on the canvas. When you're happy with everything, hit Publish, and your updates go live instantly on your website across all devices. And that's it. You now know how to edit on Framer with confidence, making your website look exactly the way you imagined.